my god! I just bought a car! Oh my god. Hello guys, welcome back to the channel and to another episode of the vlog. Today is a bit of an exciting one because, well, it's exciting for me anyway, because I am picking up my new first project car, you could say. Like, I've only ever had one car, it's the one I drive on the road every day, so to have something else is a completely new experience to me, so I'm joining the rest of the lads with the misery of having project cars. Yeah, it's quite exciting, feeling a little bit nervous about the whole prospect of doing it and jumping into this whole kind of world, but we'll see how it goes. Hopefully it'll be alright. So the plan today, or what's happened so far, is I got a train from Dublin back west, and my mum has picked me up. I'm not going to point the camera to her here because she doesn't want to be on camera. And we are heading even further west again, and I'm going to pick up the car from lovely old guy. We met him a few weeks ago just to have a look at the car, put the deposit down, and we're going back now to finally give him the rest of the money and take the car home. The plan, it might be a bit of a stupid plan, but the plan is to drive it back to the shed. It is a classic car. It is, oh, actually I haven't said what the car is yet. It is, all I'll say so far is it's from 1979. You'll probably know what it is anyway from the thumbnail of this video already anyway, but yeah, it's an old car, so we'll see how the journey goes, but the plan is to drive it all the way back to the shed. So this could be a very short vlog because it just arrives back in one piece, or this vlog could be 8 hours long because I'm trying to figure out how to get back because it's not working right. But hopefully for your entertainment and for my relaxation, it's somewhere in the middle. So we're almost there now, so yeah, getting excited. Alright, just here at his house, just arrived, but I'm not going to film too much here just for privacy. I don't want to be like, you know, filming his house and stuff and filming him, so yeah, I'll check back in a few minutes with you when car is actually mine. Here we are, just bought it, signed all the papers, done all that stuff, and I'm going to drive it home. I'm so excited. Yeah. First start. Oh, this is class.
Yeah, lovely.
Right, thanks very much. Bye bye now.
You mind as well?
I will. Oh my god. I just bought a car. Oh my god. Oh, here we are. Oh my god. I've got people beeping at me thinking I'm class. Oh my god, I can't believe I'm driving this car home. I don't know what to say. I'm so excited. So I know I haven't really said very much about this so far, about what the car is, and I know I'm sitting in the car and I still haven't revealed it to you. But as you can see from the inside and from the steering wheel, it is a BMW. Oh my god, I'm lost for words. This is so exciting. So yeah guys, as you've probably seen from the thumbnail or from the title of the video, it is BMW E24, which is a 6 Series. So it's basically the 6 Series of, you know, the 70s, 80s. I won't talk too much about the car now and why I got it and why I like it and why this car and blah blah blah. I'll do that once I've stopped up and you can actually see the car on the outside and I'll walk around it. But for now, the journey starts. So the plan is to drive this all the way back to the shed. I think I'm going to try stop off at my home house just so that I can show it to the fam, show it to Dad and my brothers, and hopefully we get back in one piece and without any too many problems. Okay, so I have come across the first, actually no, I'm not going to start like that. I must say, to start with, the car is driven flawlessly. I've been driving now for about an hour and it's absolutely perfect. I stopped along the way at one point about 5 minutes after we set off just to get out, check underneath and make sure there was no leaks or anything, and it was bone dry. I've come across one problem though. Tried to stop here just to pull over for a sec, just to check again. I put on my hazard lights and they're stuck on. Here's the hazard button. Kind of doesn't. Ah, so you have to do it gently. Okay, right, that's that fixed. I mean, as problems go for an old car like this, that's a very minor problem that I've encountered. I would have expected to have stopped multiple times so far. So the fact that, look at the head, they just came on again. Oh, okay. I'm not sure how to fix this. I'm going to have to drive the whole way home now with the hazards on, or with my hand down here like this. Okay, so quick update. I solved the problem by just taking it off. I wonder, does my indicator still work? Okay, that means my indicators don't work. So that hasn't really fixed the problem. But again, like I said, I was expecting to have far bigger problems than this, driving a car of this age, such a long journey. So the fact that this is the only problem I've come across, I'm still delighted. So, right, let's continue on. The stink of shit in here at the moment is horrendous. Alright guys, so I've just parked up in a spot that I thought might be nice to take a few shots and also to show you the outside of the car. So yeah, right, here we go. I mean, I'm obviously going to be biased because it's my car and I've just bought it, but I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Why this 6 Series Beamer? Well, every time I've seen one, say in person or like on Instagram or whatever, I've always seen it and just thought immediately, wow, I'd love to own one of these one day. I think they look like, they're just one of the coolest looking cars, I think. Like one of the coolest looking old BMWs. But I think, like, I kind of feel like I've reached another part of manhood, you know. It's like, you know, you have your first drink, you kind of feel like a man, then you know, intimate time with a lady for the first time, then you feel like a man. It's like, yes, this is good, I'm a man now. I kind of feel like I've reached manhood a little bit now, which is, I don't know, is that sad? I actually have to thank Dave for this, because I had applied for a small loan to actually buy one of these, and I told Dave one day in the garage that the loan was approved and I'm going to start looking for one, and he said, oh, I think I've seen one for sale recently. So, and about 10 minutes later I had the guy contacted to you know, go see the car. So when this came up in the, you know, the right specs and in the right condition, the right colour, the right, it was a no-brainer. I had to, it was either that or I think the previous one I was looking at before then was in Belgium. So, like, travelling all the way to Belgium to buy a car and then not really knowing what it's in, what condition it's in, you know, buying one here in Ireland was ideal, but it wasn't a possibility until Dave, thankfully, thanks Dave, did come across it and done the deal. So, what else do I say? I don't really know. I'm not good at these car buying things. It's my first one. Dave would be far better at this. He'd be running through everything. my mouth and my cheeks are actually sore because I just spent like the entire journey so far just sitting there smiling away in the car. I'm over the moon, absolutely over the moon. Yeah, someone is after driving in to the shot that I was about to take, and I'm just trying to be kind and not rude and make them not drive into the shot. Are they leaving? Oh my god, oh my god, they're leaving. Oh, that's kind of awkward. They wanted to stop here and look at this lovely view, and I've scared them away with the camera. But yeah, for now, let's head on the rest of the journey, which I hope goes just as smoothly as it has so far. Fingers crossed.
Alright guys, I want to just quickly thank one of our partners here at Drift Games, Mobil 1 Oil. We've been working with Mobil 1 for years. We run it in all of our road cars and our drift cars, and we've never had any issues. It's the best in the business. It's used by motorsport teams the world over. So if you love your car, and you love your engine, and you want it to stay reliable, check out the full range from Mobil 1.
I'm actually in love with this thing. Alright, so we're nearly back at the shed. We'll see what the lads think about it. I actually think Josh is the only person there at the moment, so see what he thinks. Let's see how this goes. Wow. What do you think?
I think for the first person not to pull up to the shed in a new car that isn't a pile of shit.
Oh, I'll take that as a compliment.
I'm not gonna lie, Blaine, that's cool. Like, you turn up in shades as well. Like, you really, like, maybe not like from, like...
Yeah, from here down maybe not so much, but...
T-shirt shades, slick back hair, I mean...
It's
I would see you going down like the street and say, that looks like a cool dude.
You know what, I'm
As if I didn't know you, obviously.
Oh, thanks. See that? There we go. Yeah, there we go.
That's like mint. It's like mint. Got a toe hitch on.
Yeah, no, the tow hitch is going to be getting removed. Oh, and also, I do have... I do also have the pressed plates as well.
Already?
I've already got the pressed plates. I feel like you're kind of lost for words.
I am. Usually, like, so one of us brings a new car in, it's like, oh, here we go, we can roast them for half an hour. But no, you can roast us because you've actually bought something decent.
This is like the most boring reveal of a car in our shed because there's nothing to slag it about.
With mine, it was like half an hour of going through all the things that were broken and everything like that.
Have a sit in.
I will. What is it with old cars and the steering wheels that are on your lap?
Yeah, absolutely massive.
Why does that just go to the floor?
That's the brake.
Yeah.
Yeah. And I actually forgot to show everybody this.
What?
Electric sunroof that still works.
Jesus.
Oh yes.
Did you put the fire extinguisher in?
No, I did put a fire extinguisher in there just in case. You know, you never know. You never know. It's better to not have it. No, wait, no. It's better to have it and not need it than to need it and not have it.
Well, of the list of things I can pick out, there's not met. I mean, there's a. That's broken. There's not a.
Oh yeah, no, massive problem that is, yeah. Alright, so amazingly I did make it back to the shed in one piece. The car has not really given me much trouble at all, apart from the little small things, but I mean, what do you expect? Or well, I expected a lot more problems, even though it was in good condition, so I'm absolutely over the moon. I'm delighted with this. Let me know what you think of it. Drop down in the comments what you think of the car itself, my choice, and do you think I should leave it stock or what you think I should do to it. I've already got some plans as to what I want to do with it, but I'm open to suggestions as well. Let me know what you think. And yeah, I'm not really good at these wrap-ups. Like the video, comment those things underneath it, subscribe and click the bell. Yeah, that stuff. See you next episode.